Legal awareness means understanding the basic laws that affect your everyday life. It does not mean you must become a lawyer or memorize legal books. It simply means knowing your rights, your duties, and the consequences of your actions under the law. In a democratic country like India, laws are created to maintain order, protect citizens, and ensure justice. But laws cannot protect people who are unaware of them. Many legal problems arise not from bad intentions but from lack of knowledge. People sometimes violate rules without realizing it. Others suffer injustice because they do not know the protections available to them. Legal awareness empowers citizens. When you understand the law, you respond calmly and confidently in difficult situations. If stopped by police, you know your rights. If signing a contract, you understand your obligations. If facing harassment, fraud, or exploitation, you know the remedies available. Legal awareness reduces fear. Fear often comes from uncertainty. When citizens understand legal procedures, they are less likely to panic or spread misinformation. They are less likely to fall victim to scams or false threats. Legal awareness also promotes responsibility. Freedom of speech exists, but it has limits. Online posts can have legal consequences. Business dealings must follow lawful practices. Knowing these boundaries helps prevent unnecessary legal trouble. An informed citizen strengthens democracy. Awareness enables people to question authority responsibly. It helps citizens demand transparency and accountability. It encourages respect for the rule of law. Law is not meant to create fear. It exists to create fairness, equality, and protection. When citizens understand the law, society becomes more stable and just. Law knowledge is not only for courtrooms, it is essential for everyday life. Understanding the law makes citizens confident, responsible, and empowered. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.